go. I don't know. Where's the... I don't even know where the thing is on that. Can you see it?
Yeah. Mom, I can see through
Okay,
it.
alright. Oh my god, how did you carry this up?
It's not that heavy.
You keep the box on there? Wow, these are really nice. Okay, ready? Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Holy cow. Ah, chocolate. Cheese and sesame crumbles. Oh, Jordan would love those. Christmas biscuits. Minced pies. Oh, that's something that we didn't even think about having. Oh, pre-cooked pudding. Okay, can you see it all?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at all that.
Is there more on the bottom of it?
I'm gonna check. Okay, let me check. It's like really... Oh, yes, there is. Holy cow. Wow. Chocolate-coated shortbread. Oh, those look really good.
Do they look good? They look like Girl Scout cookies.
Oh, we're not going to need food for the rest of the time. Milk chocolate-coated honeycomb. Oh, I bet you those are good, too. They kind of look like Butterfingers on the inside. Gold coins. I'll liquid like this. Holy cow.
Fruitcake.
Fruitcake.
Do people actually eat fruitcake?
I think so. Tea? Tea, I think. Yeah, oh, holy cow, 50 of them. Jordan would like that,
Chinese
too.
lady downstairs.
Yorkshire crisps. And, oh, there's more. Cashews. Holy cow. This is like a jam. Black currant extra jam.
Cool.
Oh, there's more. Another jam, I think. Sweet apple chutney.
Oh.
And wine.
I want some wine.
The luckiest spice in the world. Ta-da. And I think there's another bottle. Wow. I know we're going to be able to pack this back in there the same way.
I know, yeah. Oh, it's red. Like red and white.
Oh, yep. Wow.
That's fine.
Holy cow. That is a massive amount of stuff.
I like the box the most.
That is really nice. Oh, and it's got handles on the side, too.
Do you want me to stop the video now?
It's like a picnic basket.